Welcome back everyone, this is part 3, only a short one this time. The assembly of the engine bay and all the components to get this thing running. Certainly was a challenge in some areas, which we've edited out as it was way too lengthy. However, we've got some really good footage of the undercarriage of this car, which is extremely gorgeous. Okay, I thought I'd slow down the procedure assembly here so that way you can see the next process. The next process is priming the motor with oil. This is an old conventional style way of doing it. I know, especially with the LS stuff, people use a pressure vessel full with oil and hit it with compressed air and push it through the motor. That's pretty cool, because they don't have distributor drives. So being an old school motor with a distributor drive, we've got the adapter here and we're going to run it up. I've already run it up to see what it runs. It's pretty good. Cleveland's forever. So I'll grab hold of this about dropping it and I'll show you. That's pretty gnarly. That's pretty good, instantly. Fired instantly. No, it's full of water. Yeah, here we go.